Hello, welcome to the part 2 video of built-in list manipulation methods. Let us see function count, which returns the counting of a particular item which is passed as an argument. Say I take a list maybe having elements like this, some. I just want to have a counting of a particular element, say 4. Let us see the result. 4 has occurred 3 times. If we change it to say 3, you can see it has occurred only 1 time. Whereas if I say 30, it has occurred 0 times. Now, the list can even be of characters. So suppose I make it as hello all. So the list, we can see it will contain single characters, and I want to count how many times this alphabet say small l occurs. You can see the list L is HELLO space A, L and L. So the number of times small l occurred is 4. Next, let us discuss a function reverse, which is used to reverse the list in place. Say I create a list like this, I display it. Now we reverse this list and let us display the list, reversed list. You can see that original list is created with the list of string hi all, meaning each alphabet or character separately, HI space A, L and L. L dot reverse, it reverses the list in place. It has returned nothing. The list is reversed. Then we are printing, so L is now reversed. Small l, A space I and capital H. What common mistake might be there is we give the print statement here and say print L dot reverse. The list is reversed, but we are printing it also. So here print statement will give you none as the output. Please check it. Original list HI space ALL. Next statement is print L dot reverse. The list is reversed, but we are printing the returned value which is none. So output is none. Next print L. The original list is reversed. So that will be LL A space I and H. Next, suppose we create a list as usual, say 3, 7, 1, 4, 2. I am displaying this. I reverse the list and display this. So we can see the original list 3, 7, 1, 4, 2. The reverse list now 2, 4, 1, 7 and 3. Next, let us discuss method sort. This method is used to sort the items of the list. It will give the values in ascending order. Suppose we have a list 3, 7, 1, 4, 2 and I sort it. So by default it will sort it in ascending order. 3, 7, 1, 4, 2 original list, and it will give you a sorted list 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. It is also done in place. If however you want it in descending order, then use reverse is equal to true. You can see it is now coming in descending order. Similarly, we can have a look at some alphabets. Suppose I create a list of alphabets of word hello. I display this list. I sort it, so say in reverse order, that is descending. So we will see the original list is HELLO, and these alphabets, when arranged in reverse alphabetical order, it will give you OLLH and E. If we remove this, the reverse, so in ascending order or as per dictionary, you will have the original list is HELLO and the sorted in ascending order EHLL, O. However, if our list contains say mix of values, say 3, 4, A, B, I print it, sort it, and again try to print it. Please have a look. This original list is printed 3, 4, A and B, but as soon as L.sort is done, it is unable to do sorting because the integers and alphabets both are given together in a list. So sort will work only when the elements are of similar types, either all integers, all the numbers, or all the alphabets or strings. Next, we will discuss function remove. It removes the first occurrence of the given item from the list. Say we have a list L equal to 3, 4, A, B and maybe 4. I am displaying this list and let us remove element say 4 and we print this list again. Let us see the result. 3, 4, A, B, 4 original list, and after removing 4 the first occurrence, the list becomes 3, A, B, 4. Suppose we remove say A and print this list. Also let us remove 4 the second occurrence and display. The original list 3, 4, A, B, 4. After removing 4, 3, A, B, 4. This much we have seen earlier. Now removing A. So 3, B, 4. Again removing A for 4. Now it becomes 3 and B. Now do remember, if the element is not found in the list, for example we want to remove this 4 the third time, then it will result in a value error. Have a look. Last line of the output. Value error, list.remove x. X is not present in the list. Next, let us discuss a function pop. It helps us to remove the element at a given index. It also returns the element which is popped. For example, let us have a list L is 3, 4, A, B, 4. We have displayed this list. And let us pop the element at a particular index, say 2. We display the list and we also display the variable. Let us have a look at the result. The first statement println displays the entire list 3, 4, A, B, 4. L.pop2 means pop the element at index 2. This is index 0, this is at index 1 and this is at index 2. So A is popped and it is also pointed by variable small a. We have printed this L, small a is gone from this output 3, 4, B, 4, and printing this variable a gives us the value a, character or alphabet A. Now suppose instead of 2 we remove or pop element at index 1. So now the result, original list 3, 4, A, B, 4. L.pop1 at index 1, the first occurrence of 4 is there, so that 4 is popped. So print L will give you 3, A, B, 4, and the value which is popped is returned and we are pointing it by variable A. So we are displaying this A. The value here is 4. In case you do not store or point it by a variable A, then the result, there is no problem at all, but only thing is the value which is returned is simply wasted. We have not used it or utilized it. There is also one more feature of pop, that if we do not give any index as argument, then it is used to remove the last value of the list. Let us run this. It will remove value 4 from the last. Next, we'll discuss function clear. This function removes all the items from the list, and the list will become an empty list after this operation. Example, ls34ab4, we display this and say we clear the list, and we display the list. We'll find it as a empty list. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it.